Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bonnie here, your Parkland Golf and Country Club physical therapist. And today I wanted to talk to you about one of the manual treatment therapies that I use called the Graston technique. So the Graston technique is basically the use of metal instruments for the purpose of soft and deep tissue release, as well as decreased tension in tight muscles. They also help to realign stubborn scar tissue that's laid down in your body after an injury, as well as increase blood flow and circulation to injured areas in order to promote healing. So these are the instruments themselves. As you can see, they come in 6 different shapes and sizes, and that's because they're designed to contour to different parts of your body. What they all have in common though is each one of them has a bevel or smooth rounded edge. And this is actually the part of the instrument that I use to treat with. So now I'd actually like to demonstrate how I use the Graston tools while I'm treating. So we have my patient here, and he's told me a little bit about his history, and he's got some chronic back pain. So some things we can expect with chronic back pain is we have some tightness here in the paraspinal muscles next to the spine, as well as down here along the pelvis. So the first thing I do is I take it's an oil-based emollient, and this just helps to decrease the friction between the instruments and the skin. So now that that's on, I take one of my instruments, and I use that round smooth edge here, and I'm just lightly gliding that smooth edge along the muscles of his spine. So I'm not digging in real hard, and that's the beauty of using these instruments, is that I can get to deeper tissues without having to apply as much pressure, because the tool gives me leverage. So it's more comfortable for me as a therapist as well as the patient. So just lightly gliding. I use different strokes to go along with the different fibers of the muscles, go along the pelvis. There's a lot of people with chronic low back pain that get these knots here, like right above the pelvis. That's usually a tender area. You'll see I also combine manual therapy with my hands as well as the tools. And like I mentioned before, stubborn scar tissue gets in areas where you have chronic pain or past injuries, and these tools also actually help me to feel that better than I can feel with my hands. So I can pinpoint the treatment area more specifically with these instruments. So that one's good for that. And then also, because the back is such a large area, we can use the big one as well. Again, just using that smooth rounded edge to go up and down the muscles of the back and along the pelvis. I'm not digging in. The only thing that you really to expect other than relief is a little bit of redness, because like I mentioned before, restoring blood flow to the area. I'm going to treat both sides. You doing okay? Yeah. See, he's not in pain. So that's pretty much the gist of the Graston technique. If you're interested to learn more about it, or if you think you're someone who can benefit from this, please reach out to me. I know there's a lot of our golfers and tennis players out there. They get the golfers and tennis elbow. This is also excellent for tendonitis diagnosis as well. So if you're one of those people, please reach out to me. I'm right here in the fitness center at the country club. You can contact the front desk at the fitness center or me directly. Thanks for watching.